It is the next day and the figs are done from the dehydrator. I did check them at like 4 hours and then was gonna check them again at 6, and then I went to bed and I left it going for 12, which they've turned out actually quite well. You want them a little soft in the middle, but dry, if that makes sense. You know, it's okay to be a bit spongy, but you kind of want them spongy, and they dried up quite well. So some of the pieces are a little bit firmer than others, but they'll be easy to rehydrate if you want, and then also to store them. I am actually giving these to a friend who absolutely loves figs. So I'm just going to be putting these in a bag. I'll probably put them in the freezer to give them before I give them to her, but I'm not sure yet. I don't know what I'm doing, just for storage purposes. You don't need to store this, but you can store dehydrated goods in the freezer if you want. That's just a side note there. And this is how you dry figs. Super simple. It's one thing I love about dehydrating is that it's easy way to preserve. It also only loses about 3 to 5% of nutrients versus canning and freezing items, because often you have to blanch, things like that, where you lose anywhere from 40 to 80% of the nutrients in the food. When you dehydrate, you're only losing 3 to 5% of the nutrients, which is fantabulous. So it's a good way to preserve, and rehydrating is simple as well. So they're done and they're delicious. So the instructions and recipe and such is down below in the show notes. And while you're down there, please hit like and subscribe, because that does help. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feedback, concerns, by all means, please reach out to me. I'm on Facebook at Stacey Can. You can out me on Instagram and TikTok at Stacey Can. My website is www.staceycancan.com, and my email is info@staceycancan. Thanks so much for joining me today. And until next time, happy canning.